Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a radiator on a Ford F150 easy method. Start with safety. Disconnect the battery and drain coolant into a container before loosening hoses and bolts. Label each hose and clamp, remove the fan shroud if needed, swap the radiator, refill with the correct coolant, burp the system to remove air, then run the engine and check for leaks while monitoring temperature on a short test drive. Gather all tools and parts before you begin to avoid interruptions and spills. Use a torque wrench for mounting bolts and have replacement hoses ready. Keep a funnel, clamps, and a new radiator cap on hand. Prepare at least the specified amount of coolant and a container for old fluid. Working organized saves time and prevents mistakes, so lay parts out as you remove them and note bolt locations. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making simple auto guides. On another note, quick recommendation. Life is too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty. They feel great after greasy hands and long garage sessions. Check the description for the link and extra deals, then now let's get back to the video. After draining coolant and disconnecting the battery, remove the fan shroud and any obstructing components for access. Carefully detach upper and lower hoses and the transmission cooler lines if present, then unbolt the radiator mounts. Lift the radiator straight up to avoid snagging fins. Reverse the steps to install. Set radiator in place, secure mounts, reconnect hoses and lines, refill with the correct coolant, burp the system, and inspect for leaks while warming the engine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.